Hey guys, it's Riley at RILZTHRIFTED over on Instagram and Poshmark, and today I'm here with a Helpsy Source unboxing, and it is for the brand, let me check, Thistle and Spire, which I had never heard of before. But before I tell you more about this box, let me introduce myself. If you don't know who I am Riley, a full-time reseller over on Poshmark, and I'm only focusing on Poshmark at this point of recording. So all the items you will see in this video will get listed on Poshmark. So I was over on Helpsy. If you don't know what Helpsy is, they are basically wholesale for resellers. I've done a lot of their boxes, and you know, mystery boxes can be hit and miss, but overall I'd say like 80% positive experience with them. Nothing like totally, I've had like one box I regret buying, the rest are kind of like, no, I probably wouldn't purchase them again, but only one regret. And I bought like a decent amount. All the videos are on my channel. So if you want to give Helpsy Source a look and you see something you want to buy for your reseller business, you can use the code RILZTHRIFTED to get 10% off your purchase. And every time I've used a coupon code on their website, it has worked. And why not get 10% off and bring your cost of goods down? So today I'm here to share, as I said, the brand Thistle and Spire, which I had never heard of before. I was literally just like perusing the Helpsy website at like 12 a.m., which is a habit I need to get out of because that's when I spend thousands of dollars on Helpsy. Yes, this time I spent like $880 on 3 different brands from Helpsy, all first quality, like their liquidation. So the reason I made this purchase is because I had never heard of this brand before. I was like, what is this Thistle and Spire brand? And it's like lingerie, and I did a quick Google, and it's sold on Revolve, and brand looked really nice, a pretty high retail, and I was excited. It was $500 for 50 pieces, and Helpsy usually does boxes in 40 pieces, so I'm not sure why they did this one in 50 pieces, but I was excited. I was like, oh my gosh, this seems like a good box. It seems like it's gonna sell out. So I placed my order. I bought this Thistle and Spire box, and then I bought 2 other boxes to bring my cost of goods down, to use a coupon code, and I did like the bulk one, so I got 15% off, making each item in this box cost $8.50. And I will say, I'm a little nervous because after purchasing this, I started realizing on Poshmark, there's a ton of duplicate listings, and something I do, like I went to these closets, I checked, and they all seem like resellers. I'm assuming they're all buying these boxes from Helpsy. That is something that can happen with the first quality because it's a liquidation from companies. It can be oversaturated, so I'm a little nervous that these styles are oversaturated. Let me tell you some of the styles. There's like a garter belt in red that I can actually see in this box that I've seen a lot of. I've seen this black bra, and there's like some of the higher value pieces, they're like mesh snake bodysuits. Those are actually pictured on the website. Those seem to maybe be getting oversaturated. So my strategy for this box may actually be to be the lowest person listed and move it as fast as possible if it's oversaturated. I will say though, with lingerie, also, I didn't see many people selling sets, so I'm not a set person usually, but I might try a few and see if that helps it move. Also, the nice thing about bras is there's so many different sizes of bras. I mean, you got 30, you got 32, and then you got 32, A, B, C, D, E, F. I mean, it goes up, but I don't think this brand goes up that high. Anyway, let's just get into it. You've heard my concerns. I'm afraid of duplicates and oversaturation. I mean, duplicates happen in liquidation, but I'm nervous. Need a garter belt?
You got a garter belt?
I got a lot of them.
Oh man, that doesn't seem like it's a great box.
Maybe not.
Maybe you got a side business of selling adult wear.
Maybe. Okay, so here's our first pile. Yeah, so this is the one I was talking about. Wait, maybe not. I thought it was lacy. Whatever. Okay, so garter belt. I'm honestly not super stoked to be paying $8.50 per garter belt, but so what happens, this one's a medium. The retail is $42 and it is color ruby. I do think stock photos will be easy to find for this. So there's one, let's just pull out all the same. 2, This one is also a medium. This one is a large. I told my friends I was getting some lingerie in, and if they wanted some to let me know. These are, okay, here's a different one. I'm gonna sit to the side because I'm probably gonna throw out listings of what they look like. Okay, so this one's like a pink and a red lace. I don't think I saw this one. Oh, and it's got one of these attached. I probably should have put 18 plus on this video. But I will say, if you're in high school, let's go high school plus, okay? This is the color Chili. This one's size small. This one actually has a MSRP of $38. Oh, I should probably show you the tag. Okay, so here's what the newer tags looks like. And here is what this tag looks like if you ever find it out thrifting. I didn't say this, but I am racing against the light here. We have hit time change here in Chicago, and it's not even 4 o'clock yet, I don't think, and the sun is leaving us, so very sad. Okay, so let's go. Luckily, these are all duplicates. I don't have a whole lot to show you. This is size medium. This is size medium. This is size medium. Oh gosh, I shouldn't have done this, but you know, size medium. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is 8. We've got a lot of these guys. There's more. Let's just get through the garter belts. So these are more of what we haven't seen. 8. Let's go. Okay, this extra small. 9. Size extra small. 10. And then we got all of these. Medium. So what is that, like our 5th medium? 11. Medium, 12.
13 is a small. 14 is an extra large. 15 is an extra large.
16 is a 2X. I didn't know they made plus. Actually, I saw plus size models on their website, so that's cool. 1 2X and a medium. Gosh, wait, I just lost count. Okay, so let's just count. So that is it for these garter belts. There may be more, but let's see. Out of our 50, oh, I forgot 50 items. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 12 of this color. And I will say one thing, I'm not the biggest fan of having tons of the same size and style, but listing will be easy. Then did I say 12? Dang it. 1, 2, 5. Only 5 of this one, but if that was 15, 16, was that 17? So 17 of these were just of the items in this 50 box were these garter belts. Moving on. Okay, let's just pull out. Okay, so these are what I was talking about. These look like they have a high retail and they were selling well, but if the market's oversaturated, then they probably won't be selling as well anymore. So again, here's the Thistle and Spire, and we've got this tag. It does look unassuming. If I saw this in the thrift, I don't know if I would look it up if I had not known it. So the retail on this bodysuit is $98 and it is a 2X. I am happy to have plus size pieces. This looks like a recreational drug. Tell me, does that look like a recreational drug to you too? It is cute. I mean, it's not something I would necessarily wear, but I do like the idea of it. And this one is the same one, but smaller. It's inside out actually. It is a size extra small. So 2 completely different sizes. Oh, this one does have a hygienic liner and the other one does too, which is always nice. So I will sell these as new with tags and new with hygienic liner. Okay. This is a bra and it's size medium plus. Okay, so that is disappointing if they don't have actual cup sizes. That is not something I thought to look at on the website. I personally want cup sizes for my bras, not medium plus. So this is a MSRP of $62. Yeah, $62. I feel like this is one of the duplicates I saw too of medium plus. I mean, if worst comes to worst, I do think buy sell trade would buy some of this stuff and I could at least get my money back and trade in credit. There's like a flaw. Okay, so let's see if we got more of these guys. Oh, here's one of the duplicates I was seeing. Is it flawed or is it made? No, I think it's made to look like this. Okay, this is a mass retail price of $72 and this is actually 34B. So that makes me happier because there will be less listed with, you know, so many styles of a 34. A, B, C, D. E. I don't even know if they go up to E, but they do make plus sizes. So I did see a lot of these though. So there's that one. Okay, dokie. Let's see. Okay, so we've got more of this style that we saw. The medium plus this is an extra small plus, and this one looks even smaller than an extra small plus. This is just an extra small. Honestly, right now I would not repurchase this box, and not because necessarily Helpsy did anything wrong. It's just like the oversaturation in the market from what I've seen. So I think I will just be trying to move this stuff out, as long like at least the oversaturated styles, move it out as fast as possible, just get mine sold over everybody else's. So hopefully, I mean, I can make a few bucks profit at least. This is a new style. Sorry, the light is literally leaving, so hopefully we can get this box done. This is an XL/1X, so I'm not a fan of this sizing for bras. As someone who has a larger chest, I just know it's hard when sizing is not 100%, like 34 triple D, that kind of thing. So the mass retail price on this one is $62. I have another 40 pieces of a different brand that are not in this box, so I gotta track those down because 2 of my 3 brands showed up, but... Update on this mini situation I mentioned. So I did order 3 brands, 2 of which I got. The third did not come with the shipment, and it was marked in my invoice as shipped with the item. So I did reach out to Helpsy Source customer support. It was Yandy. If you've shopped on Helpsy Source, maybe you've seen it before. It was Yandy lingerie. It was really cheap, so I wanted to try it. Unfortunately, they sold out of it, and obviously they did not pack it in my box. So they did refund me for the cost of the Yandy lingerie. Luckily, I've only ever had to contact Helpsy Source support one other time, and both times they've gotten back to me, like, I think within a day. So great customer service. A little bummed about the brand that I missed out on. Okay, so there's this one again that I just showed you in a size XL/1X. So that was the same, right? Yeah. And then we got another one of these lacy ones in a size large plus. This is fun. It feels cheap. This feels not like what's the retail price on this? $34. This feels like costume, not $34 lingerie. Bye, son. The sun literally left so fast. This is size XL, and I mean, it does have branding of Thistle and Spire on the buckle, if you could see that. New with hygienic liner. So that's the first one I've seen of those. The rest of the box is all black. Okay, we got another 2 of these bad boys. Should that be the thumbnail? Extra large. Extra large. So what I usually do is my price per piece, but I might actually do this box when they're worse boxes. I usually just put the cost of my box on my spreadsheet and then try to make profit on them. Okay, this is a 34D of this grommet bra. So that's a different size. We got another grommet bra, which is a size 34D, so a duplicate for me. We got more snake skin of these bad boys. This one is an XL. Oh my gosh. My friends are gonna be like, yeah, I don't want any of this. Okay. This is a large. This snake is a large. This snake is a, wait, is this? Oh no, this one's different. Okay, maybe I can, wait, no, I can't make a set for this. So this matches the grommets like bra, but it is a XL/1X mass retail MSRP of $36. Rough stuff, man, rough stuff. Okay, this was probably a bad call on my part. This is same one, same size, the XL/1X, and this one is probably the same. Yes, XL/1X. Could I like be on OnlyFans doing lingerie unboxing and making some extra cash that way? This is a XL/1X of this again. This is the same one, XL/1X. This is this bra, the grommet bra that I knew was oversaturated when I saw it before I got my box, 32C. So the first time we've seen this size at least, and this is a 36D. So also the first time we've seen this size. this is the first time we've seen this bra. That's actually cool. I like that one. Is it, wait, did I show it to you inside out? No. I mean, I'm glad to get some variety. And this one is MSRP of 74, size 32 double D. Unfortunately, this is still too small for me. Not that I have anyone to wear it for. Wear it for yourself. Okay, we got another of these lacy ones that we saw in the beginning. Oh, this has a different tag. Interesting. I kind of like the other tag better. And this one has an MSRP of 62. Is that what these ones have an MSRP of? Yeah, 62. Okay, at least the same MSRP. And the size on this is an extra small, so we do have an extra small. Okay. We got a second one of this bra in a size 32 double D, so 2 of the same size and style. This is another lacy one for size extra small plus. Yes. We got more. This one's the snakeskin one, size large, and this is the grommet one, size XL1X. And now we are at the bottom of the box. So we got this one that we saw, size 34C. I think we have that size. Another lacy one, extra small plus, snakeskin, size large. And the last item, nothing spectacular, duplicate, size 34B, which I'm pretty sure we already have that size. Okay, so on my packing slip, it does say that I have 90 items, so I have to track down my other 40 items I purchased and see when that's coming. And also I want to show you, it's interesting how they did this. They have, instead of just like, so here you can see I got Andy swimwear as my other box. I don't know if that's before or after. It's the top one. And then you can see all the different Thistle and Spire ones. So they put it out as panties. I got 13. The bras 18, bodysuits 2, and garter belts 17. So that is everything I got. That is 9 different styles for 50 items. I honestly, when I get liquidation, prefer their, sorry, I know the light is gone, but we're almost done. I prefer to get like 3 of the same style tops. So honestly, this is not my style of first quality is what they call it, but like wholesale liquidation. I know these styles to be oversaturated. Honestly, I think profit-wise on this entire box, I'm only looking at maybe $100. Maybe $100 after I get my cost of goods back. I'm telling you, I don't think this isn't, I don't want to say this is a bad box because it's like Helpsy did fine putting this box together. There's variety, there's size and style variety. I just think that this brand for me doesn't have enough styles. I like Halara because they have a billion colors and a billion styles and a lot of different sizes. Although they were pretty, seems like a size inclusive brand. But I mean, I can't fit into any of it, at least for the tops, so maybe not. But for me, I want, even the Everlane ones, I got a lot of duplicates with that, but there was still more style variety. Maybe this is your cup of tea. So I'm not, if this is available on the website when you're seeing this, I wouldn't necessarily recommend you to go run out and buy it unless you like everything you saw, because I'm pretty sure you're gonna get everything I just showed you. I'm assuming there's not much more variety within these boxes, but I don't hate it. I didn't think it was terrible. I'm just like, if I did not already think these were oversaturated on Poshmark, I would not be too disappointed. It's just like I've already seen all these styles on Poshmark, so there's gonna be, the buyers are gonna have a lot of people to choose from, so therefore I'm gonna have to make myself the lowest priced person to get mine to move. Anyway, that being said, that is all for today's video. And if you do happen to want this box or another Helpsy Source box, because Helpsy Source does have a lot of great boxes, this one I would give like a 5 out of 10, not being on Helpsy. I think they did a fine job. As I said, it's just the oversaturation in the market, which happens with liquidation. But if you want this box or another one, use the code RILZTHRIFTED to get 10% off and save yourself on cost of goods, make more money. That's why I place large orders, is to save as much as possible. If you guys like reseller content, feel free to subscribe down below and like the video, and you will be recommended more reseller content from other resellers and not just myself. And I will see you guys in another video soon. Goodbye.